Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with a market update. The US dollar index slipped again on Monday, pulling back from its early session high and marking a sixth straight day of losses. The move came as hopes for renewed US-Iran diplomacy improved risk sentiment, even after earlier peace talks broke down. While geopolitical tensions in the Gulf would normally support the dollar as a safe haven, optimism around possible further negotiations kept the greenback pinned near its lowest level since early March. WTI crude extended its decline on Tuesday, falling more than 3.8% and dropping below $90 a barrel, its lowest level in nearly 3 weeks. The seller followed reports that US-Iran talks could resume soon, raising hopes for a broader reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump said discussions may restart within the next 2 days in Pakistan, while Iran is reportedly considering a temporary shipping pause to support progress. Gold climbed to $4,846 on Tuesday, reaching its highest level since March 18. The rally came as renewed diplomatic hopes between the US and Iran weighed on the dollar and pushed oil prices back below $100 a barrel, easing some inflation fears. Although no agreement was reached over the weekend and the Strait of Hormuz blockade remains in place, markets are still betting on more talks before the 2-week ceasefire window expires. Dollar yen stayed under pressure on Tuesday, holding below the 159 level as improving diplomatic hopes with Iran reduced support for the US dollar. Uncertainty over the Fed's rate outlook also capped the greenback, while intervention concerns and rising expectations for a Bank of Japan rate hike gave the yen some support. Still, worries over the economic fallout from instability in the Strait of Hormuz may limit stronger yen gains. Euro extended its rally into Tuesday, building on the previous session's strong gains and holding near a 6-week high around 1.18. The pair has now risen for 8 straight sessions as optimism around possible US-Iran diplomacy continued to weigh on the dollar. Even though weekend talks failed to produce a breakthrough, investors are still holding out hope that negotiations remain alive. That softer dollar backdrop has kept euro-dollar well supported, though lingering fears of a ceasefire collapse could still prevent traders from turning overly bullish too quickly.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.